What you can also easily do is combine out two shapes to make new shape inside a vector. So over here you can see that I got shapes right here, and if I were to bring in, let's say for example heart right here, you can see that I have this shape, and now I can go around and bring in another shape over here just like this. So let's say I want to go around and combine these two shapes right here. In that case, I can go around and click and drag around, and you get the combination of the shapes over here right here. So over here on the top, there's unite, as you can see right here. It converts it into a single shape, as you can see right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z over here. The other shape right here is subtract. So what it does is it takes the top shape and then it subtracts out the shape on the bottom right here. That is what you have right here. Then you got intersect, which intersects out both of the shapes together and displays out only the shape that is there. Then you can see that there's exclude over here, which excludes out, means the center part right here is transparent. And if I were to press Ctrl Z over here, then you can also go around and divide this right here, so which allows it to actually go around and divide out the shapes together, as you can see right here. So you can go around and you have these multiple shapes right here, and even some of the elements right here which are made up of shapes right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and bring this in, as long as it is supported right here, you can go around and select and merge it out together to make it a single shape as well. So that is how you can utilize the shape combination options inside a vector to get the shape you want. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.